Hi, this is Naya Khan. Today is my new topic on before the dinosaurs millions of years ago. Earth looked very different. All the continents were fused into one, teeming with life, both beautiful and terrifying. When you think of prehistoric times, you might picture a T-Rex, rampaging through the jungle, with its razor-sharp teeth. But even before the dinosaurs, there were other, giant creatures ruling the Earth. Yeah, welcome to the Permian period. This epoch started 300 million years ago. Back then, our planet had one supercontinent, Pangaea, surrounded by a world ocean, called Pampalassa. The Permian period began at the end of an ice age, when temperatures were much cooler than today. Then, during the early Permian days, Earth warmed to a lush environment, with a diversity of plants, and a rapid evolution of insect and animal life. Only, as you probably know, everything is ever-changing. On our blue marble, over the next 50 million years, Earth kept growing hotter and drier. Eventually, the most deadly event in the history of our planet wiped out nearly everything that ever lived here. Scientists call this event the Great Dying. It was the most catastrophic mass extinction event the Earth has ever seen, and the Earth has seen 5 of them. But before we get to all this doom and gloom, let me take you on an epic journey back in time. Here, in the Permian period, some of the most incredible species that roamed our young planet are about to emerge. 299 million years ago, if you could time travel nearly 300 million years into the past, you'd land smack dab in the middle of the supercontinent. Pangaea, Earth's smaller continents, would have just finished colliding with each other to form this enormous landmass, taking up 1/3 of the planet's surface. There was likely less oxygen in the air than there is now, but you still might be able to breathe. Oh, and bring a jacket, because it would likely be chilly. With some, dinosaurs have varied from taxonomic, morphological, and ecological standpoints. Birds, at over 11,000 living species, are among the most diverse groups of vertebrates. Using fossil evidence, paleontologists have identified over 900 distinct genera and more than 1,000 different species of non-avian dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are represented on every continent by both extant species birds and fossil remains. Through the first half of the 20th century, before birds were recognized as dinosaurs, most of the scientific community believed dinosaurs to have been sluggish and cold-blooded. Most research conducted since the 1970s, however, has indicated that dinosaurs were active animals with elevated metabolisms and numerous adaptations for social interaction. Some were herbivorous, others carnivorous. Evidence suggests that all dinosaurs were egg-laying, and that nest building was a trait shared by many dinosaurs, both avian and non-avian. While dinosaurs were ancestrally bipedal, many extinct groups included quadrupedal species, and some were able to shift between these stances. Elaborate display structures, such as horns or crests, are common to all dinosaur groups, and some extinct groups develop skeletal modifications such as bony armor and spines. While the dinosaurs' modern-day surviving avian lineage birds are generally small due to the constraints of flight, many prehistoric dinosaurs, non-avian and avian, were large-bodied. The largest sauropod dinosaurs are estimated to have reached lengths of 39.7 meters, 130 feet, and heights of 18 meters, 59 feet, and were the largest land animals of all time. The misconception that non-avian dinosaurs were uniformly gigantic is based in part on preservation bias, as large, sturdy bones are more likely to last until they are fossilized. Many dinosaurs were quite small, some measuring about 50 centimeters, 20 inches in length. The first dinosaur fossils were recognized in the early 19th century, with the name dinosaur meaning terrible. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.